He smiles wide, 'cause he's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, 'cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seems to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon. They're having fun without worrying about looking dumb. They feel alive instead of feeling numb. And I wonder what that would feel like. I wonder what that would feel like. It must be nice. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seems to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon, might as well be on the moon. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why it won't let go of me. Always really getting so lonely, feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why I won't let go of me. Always getting so lonely, feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why I won't let go of me. Always getting so lonely, feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why it won't let go of me. Always really getting so lonely, feeling like this.
All right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Shein, honey. Shein has been coming through with the units, and this particular unit is, I'm on the site right now, and it looks like it's $55. They did tell me 60 and 25, so I'm guessing like with tax it will be 60. But it is their 16-inch royal dark midnight blue color, super price, loose body wave, wear and go. Wear and go 4x4 pre-cut lace glueless closure wig with breezy air cap. Zero skill needed, and I can attest to that. Okay, zero skill needed. This unit is available in 180% density. It's a 4x4 and it's 16 inches long. And as I stated, it is a midnight blue color. It says the hair origin is Indian hair and Burmese hair. That's what it says. It says transparent lace. And yeah, and it's human hair. So yeah, that is it as far as details and specs go. Now, as far as tangling and shedding, honestly, I have not noticed any. I did use my comb. I initially was using my brush, and then I went to my comb. And I didn't notice any shedding nor tangling with this unit whatsoever straight out the gate. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is more small to medium head friendly. I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. But in my opinion, even without any adjustment, the unit is pretty snug, like snug enough that I really didn't need to spray it whatsoever. Like it's snug as a bug. Okay, so and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so I only have one con with this unit, and it is that it bleeds. Okay, so my hands are blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. The lace is a little blue, like it bleeds. It should, after a washing, not bleed, but that's going to be my con. My pros are, A, I love this color. I love a good dark blue wig. Like, ever since my, was it Outre or Free Tress? Shannon days, girl, a blue wig is where it's at for me. I just love it. I love the color. Like I stated, I love that it came pre-cut, which makes it extremely beginner friendly. I love that it was easy to curl, like, and easy to style. So yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this wig, and it's cheap, girl. If you are looking to throw in some human hair or throw in a splash of color, this is where it's at, sis. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below in the comments what you think of this unit. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things. Sound off in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you little bucks next time. Bye.
The looks you love.